Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. Our today's session is about directions. I want to show you ways to ask and give directions. For example, if you're going to travel another country or travelers are in your city and they need some help, you can help them, right? As a little bit of beginner lesson, I'm going to give you some vocabulary, some set of questions, and the most important thing you need to understand is the verbs that you're going to use in order to help somebody find their way. So we're going to start with the vocabulary. First is direction, we call it as direccio. North, norte. South, sur. East, este. West, oeste. Left, izquierda. Right, derecha. Up, arriba. Down, abajo. Front or forward, adelante. Back or behind, atrás. To turn, virar. To fold or bend, doblar. Turn left, dobla a la izquierda. Turn right, dobla a la derecha. Go straight on, sigue todo recto. Cross a street, cruza la calle. Here, aquí. There, ahí. Near, cerca de. Far, lejos de. Road, carretera. Around, alrededor. Where is the? ¿Dónde está? Where is a bookstore? ¿Dónde una librería? Where is an ATM? ¿Dónde un cajero automático? Where is the bank? ¿Dónde está el banco? Next to, al lado de. Next to the gas station, al lado de la gasolinera. Behind the, detrás del. Behind the bank, detrás del banco. Across from, enfrente de. Across from the park, enfrente del parque. Between, entre. Between the bank and the park. Entre el banco y el parque. On the corner and la esquina. Is it far? Está lejos. I'm lost. Estoy perdido. Is there a restaurant nearby? Hay una restaurante cerca. Is there a gas station nearby? Hay una gasolinera cerca. 10 minutes away. 10 minutos de distancia. Sidewalk, acera. Freeway or highway or motorway, we call it as autopista. To change lane, cambiar de carril. Exit, salida. Take exit 2. Tome la salida 2. Traffic light, semáforo. Take the first left. Toma la primera a la izquierda. Take the second right. Toma la segunda a la derecha. Take the next right. Toma la siguiente a la derecha. Corner, esquina. Now the last word for our today's video is to wander aimlessly. Deambular. So this is all about ask and give directions in the Spanish language. Hope you understand each and every word of this video, right? See you next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.